Hello all, welcome back to our channel. In my previous video, I provided a step-by-step tutorial on how to create and design a page in the ServiceNow Service Portal. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend checking that out. It's a great foundation before applying custom themes. Now, in today's video, we'll take the next step by showing how to create and apply a custom theme to give your portal a unique look and feel that aligns with your organization's branding. By customizing the theme ensures a portal truly reflects the company's identity. Let's create a theme. Click on All and type Service Portal. Search for themes and click on it. Click on the New button. Now fill in the theme details. Name. I'll name it as my custom theme. Turn off SCSS compilation. Leave this blank for now unless you plan to add advanced styling. Then application is the Employee Center core and header. I'm selecting the Employee Center header menu. Same like header, select the footer too. If you need a fixed header, check on it. Similarly, the fixed footer too. CSS variables. This is where we'll define our custom styles. A new theme is successfully created. To demonstrate theme changes, I'll apply a simple background color. Let's make the background black by adding the CSS. How familiar are you with CSS? Let me know in the comments if you need any help in learning CSS. Save the record. Let's update the font using Google Fonts. For this video, I am using the Poppins font. Feel free to use a font of your choice. Go to Google Fonts. Search for Poppins. Click on it. Click on Get Font. Click on Get Embed Code. Copy the link within it. Now scroll down to the CSS includes and related list on the theme. If you have already a CSS file, you can add it here. If you want to add a new CSS file, click on New. Give your CSS file a name. Source of mine is URL. Paste your URL here and submit. You can add your font family here. And save the record. Let's apply this theme to our portal. Search for portal. Click on portals and find your portal and open the record. In the theme field, select your custom theme. You can view that the portal background has changed to black. You can view that the header is fixed and footer is fixed, so we can't view the content clearly. To fix this, go back to your custom theme and uncheck the fixed header and fixed footer and update it. You can view that the portal content is visible now clearly. And that's it. We have created a custom ServiceNow Service Portal theme with our own styles, branding and layout. Whether it's for an internal team or a customer facing portal, with this learning you can make it shine. It's not over yet. Just 2 more clicks, one on the subscribe button and the other on the notification bell icon. 2 clicks really motivate me to keep creating more helpful videos like this one. Let's explore Employee Center in detail in my next video. Thanks for watching.